I was impressed by the quality of teaching and the support provided by the staff.
It's really easy to talk to everyone here. They always have time to listen to you and help you with any problems you have.
They always listen to me, teach me in class and outside the class.
We can talk everything with the teacher, and I have met a good staff can support me any time. And I have many friends who is friendly and kind with me. I love it.
They all time try help me and try talking with me for improve my